Hi guys, we're hatching the new egg garden egg. Let's see what we get inside of the egg. Let's go. Let's go and hatch it. First, see, I'm sick. Let me eat this. Let's reset. Let's go. We're hatching this egg. There's an update. A new egg, garden egg. Look, legendary. Let's hatch it, guys. Wait and let's see. The first task. She's hungry. Oh, I have a food here. Let me feed him to eat. Let's go. Let's walk around the duckling. I'm finding a mole to get the golden one. Golden in the pet shop. Let's see what the name of it. There. Here is the quest you can do for the adopt me and get a prize. Here's I'm gonna quest. Here's the trade. You need 6 moles to get this golden tortoise beetle. And here you need a neon garden snake. I have 1, 2 neon. 1 snake. 1 garden snake. I tried it for a mole and other pet. So long to hatch. There's nothing we can do about it. Let's see what is ready. Dragonfly, mushroom friend. This is the new pet. What the? She has all Athena. Nice. Let's try to offer him any pet. Oh, sorry, pet. I'm poor. We are poor. We started yesterday. Mushroom lang kailangan. We need the mushroom. Need mushroom. We offer ladybug and this and 1 legendary. And for the last corgi. What overpaying mushroom. I hope we get a legendary for this egg. I hope we get the legendary mushroom friend or the candy one. The moth. I hope we get the moth. We can trade the Frost Fury. I'm so poor, look. My only FR is this Frost Fury. Look at my pet. I'm making a neon. There's three fully grown. One is newborn. Next episode, we going to make a neon. A neon pet. I hope we... Hey, this is the task. Sleep and eat. I'm gonna... Let him sleep. Me too. Ay, guys. I'm fan of Fishy Blocks and Sunny X Misty. Look at my profile. My goal is to get no pat turtle or turtle FR or anyone. My goal is to get a turtle and trade him and trade it to one better pet. And voila. We need a shower. Let's reset. I hope we get the legendary pet. I got an ultra rare egg last time. I got this. I got this pet. Skunk. We got that. We got that in. I got that time of. The time is 12:01, and I get that skunk. We need to drink and bath. I thought we did that. Let's wait him. He is there. Let's teleport to the vehicle. The closest to the pizza shop and the toy shop. Here is the pizza shop. Let's get in there, get a water, and feed my pet. I hope we get a better pet for this because I'm grinding to get a legendary and trade it for a turtle. And I'm grinding money. Get pizza. We're gonna make a pizza pie. Let's mold. I'm gonna pick here. I'm gonna pick a 4. You need pineapple, meat, cheese, tomato. That's what you need to make the pizza. I don't like pineapples in a pizza. Oh, she needs a 4. We make that. Let's put here. And the multiply hits. Wrong. Ano ba na yun? That's the wrong pizza. The wrong pizza. This is the right. That's right. Oh, she needs number 4. I made number 4. Oh, it's raining here. It's raining. We're done in the pizza party. We need to grind money to buy a lot of garden egg. Oh. We need the neon garden snake too, and this mole. We need that. He's gonna hatch. 2 more tasks or 1, and this gonna hatch. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm a new player for Adapt, and in Adapt Me I started yesterday and have and traded with the turtle. My goal is to get the turtle. That's my only goal, and I have another goal to get the shadow dragon or giraffe. There's toxic people here. So many toxic people. I have one task. Give away an item to another phone. Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna find a poor one because they're rich. Let's see this. Oh, this. We're gonna trade him. Hi. Let's see him pets to prove is poor. Let's see him pets. This is rich. We're gonna need a poor. Thanks. gonna need a poor people to give a free pet. We're gonna find a poor people in school. Let's see. Dear, sunog. Let's wait him to accept the request. Oh! We have a blue jay! Wow! At least it's rare, not uncommon and common. Let's give a random pet to the people here. She don't accept. My request is pending. She is AFK. Let's give. Can you please give me your monthly test? Let's give this guy. Let's give me a pet. Hi. This is the end of the video. And this is what we got. Blue jay of the new egg, the garden egg, new update. This is what we got from the egg, blue jay. We're gonna feed this ride potion or apply potion to trade him for good offer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.